So now let's see how we can work around with brick wall effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have this particular image right here. So if I were to go ahead and click this, I can go ahead onto effects, and then I can go ahead over here onto, let's say for example, texture section right here. So over here what you can do is you can choose brick wall, then you get the brick wall texture effect, as you can see, just like this. You can go ahead and change around the roughness of the brick wall just like this, as you can see, and you can also go ahead and change around the brick width, as you can see, just like this as well. And you can also go ahead and change around the brick height, maintain out the aspect ratio right here to simply go ahead and then make sure it goes around and resizes on the same side. Apart from that, you got the grout width. You can go ahead and change around the grout width as well, so you can change around the gap width, as you can see right here. And you can also go ahead and change around the direction of the light just like this as well, as you can see over here. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the brick wall effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.